Okay, Gail. I want to make this video because I know it's hard for us to talk during the day, and you can go back and reference this if you need to. So this right here is what you see as a teacher, okay? The kids see this, okay? So when you send them the link, they should be able to fill this out, and they should be able to, you should be able to see the results. This is yours, so this should be in your Google Drive. And if you hit responses, you should be able to hit the Google spreadsheet and it should come up. Okay. Um, I don't know what else to show you for that. But remember, when you give them the assignment, you hit send and you hit the link and you hit copy, and then you can put it into your Canvas course. Like we talked about, I know you said you were doing it in the daily announcements. I think a lot of us are doing it in the Canvas modules as an assignment, just because it's, they actually see it there and they don't have to remember to go to the announcements. So you click on here, and obviously you go to your assignments, and you can make the assignment for, you could give them, and then you just copy and paste the link right there and hit save and publish. And then you could do a due date. You could do one for each day. I'm just trying to just put it in to the PowerPoint that I show them every day, or show them for the week, and they can go back in and just use that link too if they needed to remember to go there. So let me know if you have any more questions. But again, this is your copy where you should, you can go in and change it, whatever. This is the end of the day, which you have too, but you go to responses and you hit the Google spreadsheet. And what I do is I pin them at the top of my page. I right click and I pin them so I know that they're there. I can look at them the whole day, and I don't have to open them back up a million times. So I keep all of my screens that I use all day long. I pin them and they don't go away. I can't accidentally close them. So if you have any more questions, just give me a shout. Thanks.